Well, I'm a big dog going out every night, tipping over trash, getting into fights, shitting in yards and pissing on poles, nose in the air, just sniffing out the hose. I'm a big dog. Yeah, I'm a big dog. I was chilling at home the other day. I was waiting for my master so we go out to play. The master came home and said let's go outside. Instead of playing ball, we went for a ride. I'm a big dog. Yeah, I'm a big dog. Well, past the dog park we would go, marked out the window, yo, yo, yo. Must be the Petco, I love that store. He drove right by that dirty whore. I'm a big dog. Yeah, I'm a really big dog. Well, we pulled in this place never been before, and he shut off the car and he opened the door. We went inside this smelly place, women dressed in white with smiles on their face. I'm a big dog. I'm a really big dog. I was sniffing around, their tail in the air and my nose to the ground. Looked up, I thought it was an outer space. A comb-headed dog staring in my face. Had a glazed look there in his eye, and he walked bow-legged and I don't know why. Smelt like a dude there in that hall. When I sniffed his ass, he had no balls, he ain't a big dog. No, he's a neutered dog. He's not a big dog. He's just a neutered dog. Well, they put me on the table, on the bright light, tube up my nose and something's not right. I drifted off to sleep and I started to dream. I ate the neighbor's cat and drank it down with Jimmy Bean. Run down the street, tried to jack that car. Dog warden came, wanted to put me behind bars. Reached for my collar so I gave him a nip. Next came the leash and I heard it go click. Since this is a dream, it really was a snip. The balls fell in the pan, went drip, drip, drip. Oh God, is this a dream? Or did I just see my balls drop in that pan? Oh man, girl, what'd you give me that dog biscuit for? All smiling at me, make me think you like me? And you just do that to me? I must be dreaming, nobody's that cruel. I was a big dog going out every night, tipping over trash, getting in the fights, shitting in yards and pissing on holes, nose in the air, just sniffing out the hose. I was a big dog. Now I'm a neutered dog. When I awoke, I was 2 pounds light. Came between my legs, something's not right. Spread my legs open and look down my nose. Oh my God, where'd my balls go? I'm a neutered dog.